Red pepper is a natural blood thinner. It cleans the cardiovascular system, helps prevent blockage in the veins, and increase blood circulation. It can prevent heart attack and stroke, help destroy cancer cells, help regulate blood sugar levels, treats high blood pressure, lowers high cholesterol levels, expels colds and mucus from the body. It's a natural laxative. It's a natural pain reliever. It treats migraine headaches, treats arthritis, treats erectile dysfunction, aids in weight loss, fights allergies, prevents blood clots, and many other ailments. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow for more educational videos like this.